Dear students, today I want to tell you what is the key to success in the civil services examination, and not just in a civil services examination, in any field you want to go for. And the key to success is communication. Your communication skill. You know that UPSC is a personality exam, means it revolves around the persons who have the leadership qualities. And what is the most important quality of a leader? That is communication. Now, what is communication? Communication means your ability to explain your point of view plus your ability to interpret and deconstruct what others want to tell. Communication consists of various types of skills. There is a written skill, there is a oral skill, there is a body language and whatnot. So, how to develop the communication skill? How to understand the demand of UPSC? Of course, nothing better than the UPSC papers. So, what do we see? We see that whether it is CSAT or GS prelims or mains, the questions are becoming interpretative and you are expected to make the deconstruction, and you should have an ability to communicate. That is very critical in mains. Now, how do you develop the communication skill? Do you require a special course for the communication skill for UPSC? No. There is one paper which always remain underestimated, and that is essay. The importance of essay in your exam go beyond the 250 marks of the paper. Essay paper is the best way to develop your capacity, your ability of critical thinking, your ability of deconstruction, your ability to develop your ideas in a systematic manner, as well as your ability to think about the abstract thing and how you utilize your knowledge in other subjects for developing essay. So, I don't think that we have given enough amount of reflection of the strategic nature of this particular paper. The trend of the essay paper itself is changing, and what they require: greater ability of reflection, analysis, better communication skill, systematization of your ideas, and the effort should be in a position to create an impact on the person who is reading your essay, and you are compelling them to give marks. I invite all of you for our special workshop on the essay paper. And again, there is a misconception that those who are giving prelims or mains this year, they should be targeting the essay. No, anyone thinking to go for civil services should actually start from the essay, because this will give you benefit across the paper. So, for whom, for which students this program is useful? I will say anyone, everyone. Even the importance of this program go beyond civil services. You require these skills to be successful, I again emphasize, on all walks of life. And hence, Whether you are targeting 24, you are targeting 25, you are targeting 26, this is the program you must attend, and you should not underestimate and ignore. See, civil services or any competition is becoming challenging, and until and unless you are not able to deconstruct the exam, it will not be possible to sail through the challenges which the exam is posing. So don't forget to attend the very special program, very special workshop on 19th of January at our 25 Pusa Road premise. The timing is 4 o'clock.